What's up, gang? What's up, squad? I am back, and yes, I know we are 7 days into Vlogmas, and I've only posted 3 videos. Don't be on me too heavy. These days been kind of light, so I was like, I might as well let it build up. And so y'all can see what I've done over the course, over the course of the days, because pretty much there's nothing been going on. Day 1 through 3, and it's kind of lingered over to 4.5. I've been sick. So once I thought I was getting over it, or once I think I'm getting over it, I get back into the whole coughing and all of that. And yes, I've been doing my breathing treatments like every night. I've been taking my medicine. But apparently this up and down weather and me being in and outside, which I haven't been outside like that, but like running to the grocery store, running to the gas station, things like that, going to get something to eat. Apparently that'd be a little bit too much on me. Because ever since I said this before, but ever since I was sick before, like a couple weeks ago, I didn't even sit down then. Like my little sister was here, I was spending time with her, we were still doing stuff. So I didn't really have time to really rest. So I kind of took these past few days just to rest and kind of like get myself built back up so that I can have energy to continue Vlogmas, because right now the devil is busy. Yeah, so we're day 7, and right now I just need to get my hair together because we have not done wash day yet, so I don't need to hear anything about my hair. We're just gonna do the regular water, conditioner, fluff, and that's just my usual morning routine pretty much. But it's not even morning, it's afternoon. But my hair like soaks up product like quickly, so by the end of the day we looking dry, and I'm not sure. But then like when I get ready to re-wet it, because I try to spruce it up in the morning, I try to refresh it in the morning, and then throughout the day I'm cool. Then at night I try to just refresh it a little bit before I go to bed, just so it can saturate throughout the night. But now I don't know. First little, journey of natural hair. So it might be something I'm even missing. Might be a step I'm missing, but I'm sure y'all will tell me. But in the meantime, I'm gonna just do what I know. Your girl's getting a little, your girl got a little scratch going on. I got good hair, y'all. Don't even. My hair is like, when I wet it, it'll curl up on its own. But it's just so out of whack right now, and I think I need a trim. You can tell it's growing really well to where it don't even have no shape no more, which I'm not mad, because I was playing with it yesterday and I was gonna put like, do me some little like bing bing going on, but then now I look like I look like when I was a little girl. So I don't think I'm gonna do that now that I just seen how I look on camera. Now I just really don't know what to do with it now. I was in a phase where I was figuring it out when it was a little shorter and it was growing. But now that it grew out in the top, I really don't know what to do. Of course, I'm not going to cut it because the whole goal is for it to all grow out. And I've been thinking about silk pressing it. But I don't know, because we are in silk press season. But at the same time, I don't know if I should, or how I don't even know how it would look if I was to go ahead and silk press it, because for one, I don't know what style I'm gonna even have, because this is short, and all I can see right now, I'm gonna have me a TLC look going on, and I don't even know how that's gonna look on me. Okay, I'm thinking about washing my hair tomorrow, which is Friday. So that's the plan. Wash my hair tomorrow. I'm gonna also do my skincare routine for the winter, because my face is breaking out really bad, and I have not dermaplane this month, and it's been about 2 months now, I think. So it's time for that, and I'm just getting ready for the weekend. So that's the plan, and I'm sticking to it. Now I need y'all to go like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, share this post, help me get my views up, because I know everybody posting Vlogmas and all, but dang, y'all can come over to my page and share some love. And then for the little viewers that I do have, the little viewers that I do have, y'all can at least comment, say hey to a girl. I mean, I don't bite. I know it's all love. the view count, so I'm gonna go from there. But yeah, your girl here, I don't know what hair type I have either, so can somebody help me figure it out? Because I'm not gonna even get on here and lie and say, oh, I got 4C hair. Baby, I don't know. I'm also thinking about dyeing it. It's just so much I'm thinking about. But anyway, nutshell, y'all, we're about to get back to this day. You see that it's Thursday, so I'm thinking I'm about to go to Starbucks because I feel like I just cannot get energized the way I want to without Starbucks. So I'm gonna go to Starbucks because today is half off drinks, and of course we're gonna take advantage of that. And once I get back, I'm probably gonna go ahead and pull out the Christmas stuff because I pulled some of the stuff out the other day at the garage. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put up Christmas stuff. Sitting here talking to y'all, I can go ahead and put this in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair. Booyah. This little conditioner that I kind of rub through my hair. Sometimes I use this other one, but I haven't used this one in a while. So we're gonna see if it's gonna do something. I ain't even in my ponytail phase yet. But I think this is why I be sick too, because I always wet my hair and go outside like a crazy person. But we're gonna pray about it. Oh, but anyway, so yeah, today is half off at Starbucks. I'm gonna go get me a Starbucks. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this Christmas decoration up because any other year we wait until December 20th and then want to put the decorations up for 5 days and then take them back down. So we ain't gonna do that this year. We're gonna try to get ahead of the game. I think I'm just put a wig on for the rest of the so I figure out my hair life. But Starbucks Christmas decor. And then we just gonna get into it. So I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm doing. Like I told y'all, it is, what did I say? Action speed louder than words. So that's what we doing. I get on here and I might say what I want to do, and then God say, that ain't what I wanted you to do today. So we're just gonna go off what he do, and then I'm gonna just tell y'all as I do what we're doing. Okay, so in a nutshell, stay tuned. Bye.